Hello, this is Mayumi Alai with Nexa Mortgage. Welcome back to my Mortgage Pro Max channel. The buy before you sell loan is a fantastic option for homeowners who want to purchase a new home before selling their current one. This type of loan provides the financial flexibility needed to make a smooth transition between homes. Here's a quick look at how it works. How it works. Bridge financing. This loan often involves a bridge loan which provides temporary financing to cover the down payment on the new home while you wait to sell your current property. Dual mortgages. You need to qualify for two mortgages simultaneously, so a strong credit and sufficient income are essential. Equity utilization. Significant equity in your current home can be used as collateral, making it easier to secure the necessary funds. Market timing. This loan allows you to buy a new home without the pressure of selling your current one immediately, giving you more control over timing and market conditions. Be aware that loan eligibility and requirements can vary significantly depends on the lender's program. For instance, some lenders offer a no-bridge loan program. This program may allow borrowers to access more cash from their current home. However, it's important to note that this specific program often comes with additional requirements that borrowers need to meet. Understanding these variations is crucial for finding the best loan options. By meeting the requirements and working with a knowledgeable lender, you can enjoy a seamless transition to your new home without the stress of selling first. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more mortgage tips. Have questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy house hunting.